Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to spin a flashlight in Greg's Roblox, and it is pretty easy to do. Alright, if you're using a Windows PC, well, the steps are pretty simple. Alright, as you can see here, I am running. Unfortunately there for my mobile friends, well, I don't have a solution yet for you. Alright, for PC, you're just going to want to go ahead and get your flashlight out. Alright, once done, use the left click on your mouse, hold it down. Right, as you can see here, it is now spinning. When you release your left click, it will stop. All right, as you can see here, I am not spamming it. If you spam, it will be the flashlight will just be flashing. So all you have to do is just hold it. All right. And that's basically how you do it. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.